Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, can you smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime we upload a new video on this channel, you'll be among the first people to get notification. So, in this particular video, just wanna walk you through if, of course, does Stripe work in Nigerian or is Stripe available in Nigerian? If you're ever asking yourself on how to open a Stripe account that you can send and receive money in Nigeria. So this video is going to be a productive one. I'm very sure at the end of this video, you'll be able to get ahead and be able to have a solid Stripe account that you can actually use for your business for yourself. But then if you wanna look into Stripe, you're gonna see like different features on the platform and probably you already know what Stripe account works for, or you just uh heard about the platform and feel like okay, this is what you need for your business or something like that. But then when you head up to the website, you notice that you may not be able to create account or something just pops up, and then at the end you are not able to create account. And if you try to go ahead on the website to see if of course you can create account as a Nigerian on Stripe platform, so what you just need to do, you just click on get started or start now. Probably you have already clicked on that. Then when you go ahead to create your Stripe account, input your email address, your full name, then selecting countries. You can see select the countries or region where your business is incorporated. If you are in an individual, if you are an individual, select where you are doing business from. So you can see, and if you look at the left side here, you're gonna see get started quickly, integrate with developer friendly API, or choose low code or pre-built solution. So this means like you might just want to include Stripe into your website as a payment gateway. You can also use it to support any business. It also supports any business model like e-commerce website, subscription website, SaaS platform, marketplace, and many more like that, all in just within a unified platform. Can join millions of business owners who are already using trusted Stripe to grow their business in different kind of sizes. So whether you are just starting out your business, it doesn't really matter. Stripe will definitely work for you. So when you're trying to create an account, you're gonna see where you can select country. So I'm gonna check if Nigeria is listed on this list. But then you notice Nigeria is not listed. You can see all the countries that are listed, and let's check if there are some African countries that are listed here, but trust me, I'm unable to see any African country listed on this list, which means no African countries is actually allowed to create a Stripe account. But then in this video, I'll be getting you through how to get a done for you Stripe account for yourself. So, but now, before I jump into that, I also want to let you know that in case you have someone in any of these country, you can reach out to them and let them help you in creating a Stripe account, whereby they'll be using their own personal information to complete the registration. And of course, they will have most of these details about your business before they can be able to proceed and get you a working Stripe account. But for you to go that route, there's another easiest way to go about it. Or if you don't have anyone in any of these listed or approved country, you can then follow this route, which of course I'm going to show you in this video. And the route is by going to this link I'm going to provide to you in the description of this video below. So that will be in the first link where you can get a done for you Stripe account created in your name, in your business. Everything is fully verified. You can see get a fully verified Stripe account to run your business from any unsupported country. So you can see this is a full package you can actually get. You can see no VPN is required, no LLC required. Start using your account immediately. So this is just a done for you. You don't have to do anything. All you just need to do is just get this, and then you will get your Stripe account done for you. And let's go through the details and how to go about it. So this Stripe account creation, or this Stripe done for you will cost you 20,000 25,500 naira as at when I'm making this video. I don't know if the price will fall back or something like that, but as at when I'm making this video, this costs you or will cost you 25,000 naira. And that is if you jump on this as fast as possible. And walking you through the details, you're gonna see everything you need to read through. And this is not about you getting this and then you still be the one to create the account by yourself. This will be an account that will be created for you for your business. You can see such as Nigeria, Ghana, Tanzania, Zimbabwe, India, Bangladesh, South Africa, Uganda, and some other unsupported country like that. So this will definitely help you to get started and get your Stripe account for you. So this is just 25,000 naira for now, and that if you're paying in other currency, you're gonna be paying somewhere around $25 or $30 thereabout. I'm very sure this should not be much for you to start your business, and then if you don't jump on it as fast as possible, you end up paying 50,000 naira. So you can also see the frequently asked questions, so you can see what you'll be getting, and then you will know how to go about it. So jump on this by clicking on the first link in the description of this video below to be able to get a Stripe account for yourself or for your business, so you can use it for anything you actually want. So this is just the best way to open a Stripe account in Nigeria or in any other unsupported Stripe country. But if you have any question as well, you can let me know through the comment section below, and I will try as much as possible to reply to your request as fast as possible. And also, if you have purchased this particular course or how to go about the Stripe stuff, and then you still have some issue, you can get in touch with this Stripe structure, because there will be a space where you can actually provide every requirement that will be needed from you in order to be able to set up your Stripe account for you without any difficulties. And within 5 to 10 days, you'll be able to get your Stripe account done for you in your business name. So jump on this as fast as possible, and I promise you that you'll be able to get a successful Stripe account in Nigeria. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.